Hey guys, welcome back. Let's talk about brutal truth about silver trade, silver setup with this chart. So this move in silver didn't reward most traders. So if you observe something here, not because of the trend was wrong, but because of patience was missing here. So silver kept moving, strong candle. If you look at in a 4 hours time frame, very clear trend here. Trend is right, and OI is also good, and most of the traders exited early in this stage where it took a reversal. It was basically a profit booking here. Some entered late, some entered somewhere around 24,500 5,000. uh, the market doesn't pay speed, it pays discipline. So trade less and think more.